Good afternoon, ma'am. This is your room.
Okay. Excited na po.
You are in the VIP room.
Wow!
How do you like it, ma'am?
I love it so much.
I like
I'm
this.
lucky. It's so big. Wait. Let me check. Here's the view! Here! And then we have a balcony.
Yes, ma'am. That is your private balcony.
Wow! Hello, everyone. I'm here in Vietnam, Sapa. Nice. Very nice. What about the CR? Oh, the CR. Oh, the room. This is the CR.
Yes.
Where's the switch on and off? Ah! I need to put this first. Right. Okay. CR.
Yes, that is your bathroom.
Wow! The big bathroom. Wow, ha? Laisyo kaayo. This is the shampoo and everything. The whole kilong CR. Ug kalikod ang ilalim akong bedroom.
Yes, this would be your...
King bed. Kinsa mo open ari mo? Kuya. King bed kaayo. Kinsa man ako katap. Laisyo kayo siya.
And you have a big TV.
This is my LCD TV. It's very huge. Diba? Pero pinalo ko sa view.
And we have complimentary drinks, ma'am. Here, your tea.
Water.
Tea and
This
water.
is not tea, only
No, there,
water.
ma'am. There's a tea.
Why
Okay.
sulod pag sure?
Okay, ma'am. Have a seat and look at your view. How do you like your room, ma'am? You're a VIP today.
I love it so much.